Hey, what is up YouTube? TD and Ride here, coming at you with a deck profile. But first off, I want to give Asian Ice White Dragon a huge shout out. He sent me the link to a screen recorder which is called Cam Studio. With this I'm now recording. So let's see how it goes. Without any further ado, let's get into it. This time I will be profiling my Genex Mermal Atlantean deck. I run double Genex controller, triple Atlantean Dragoons, double Atlantean Heavy Infantry, triple Atlantean Marksman, triple Deep Sea Diva, triple Genex Undyne, triple Mermal Abysslind, triple Mermal Abyss Megalo, double Mermal Abyss Pike, one Muli Glisha the Elemental Lord, and one Tragodia. There are 26 monsters. Moving to the spells, I run one Allure of Darkness, a Dark Hole, Heavy Monster Reborn, double MST, one Pot of Avarice, double Salvash. And moving to the traps, I run triple Abyss Sphere, one Mirror Force, and double Torrential. Moving to the side, I run one Tragodia, MST, triple Ghost Match, triple Light Imprisoning Mirror, one more Mirror Force, triple Shadow Imprisoning, and double Trapstun. Moving to the extra, I run one Ally of Justice Castator, one Armory Arm, Black Rose Dragon, Vrivloven the King of Ice Barrier, a Gungnir Dragon of the Ice Barrier, and TG Hyper Librarian, Abyss Dweller, Diagusto Emerald, Gachi Gachi, Gagaga Cowboy, Mermal Abyss Gaius, one Big Eye, a Leviathan Dragon, Acid Golem, and Wind Up Mates. So that's it for the deck profile. Once again, I want to give Asian Ice White Dragon a huge shout out, and I thank you very much. I hope you see this video. And that's it. So comment and subscribe for more videos, and that's it. TD and Ryder signing out.